What's up, y'all? This is Ruthie. Welcome to my channel, Unique Nails by Ruthie. As y'all can see, I got another box from Enail Couture. I got 3 scoops this time. It's a pretty decent box. I'm gonna have to move it to the side though so I can be able to unbox it. But I got a few things. I'm gonna move this so y'all hear me out. Y'all hear me out, right? All of the foils, I took them out and put them in one of the press-in nail full cover tip bags. And I did this. And it works out. I cannot put all 11 in there, but 1 through 10, so 0 and 11, cannot put in there. But yo, hear me out. It works. Like, I was able to condense majority of all of the tips that I got in my last scoop in the foil packages. So I feel like a win is a win. If anybody else got scoops and did the same thing, let me know. I would love to hear your feedback. But I'm opening the box and I'm gonna pull stuff out and show y'all what we got. It took forever for me to get the box. I didn't think I was gonna ever get it. And you know how he do? A bag inside of a box, which works for me. Oh, and I got one extra thing. I got some transfer foil glue. Cause duh, all these foils, we gotta apply them somehow. Cause the one that I got is not the best. If you hear somebody coughing, that's my son. I think he's getting some type of cootie bug or something. Where is packing slip? Okay, I guess I don't have a packing slip, or I'll find it. So you know. Start with the tips. XL frozen coffin. 2 bags. Hopefully I got some pipe ones. I did. So I got some extra long pipe nails because I wanted these last time. I got some this time. Princess pink coffin. Another princess pink coffin. With a sculpted almond medium. My nail done popped out that fast. Dazzling beige almond. Another princess almond. Sculpted almond medium. 24 karat almond. Princess almond. So 4 bags so far. 24 karat coffin. Another 24 karat coffin. 24 karat almond. 2 of those that I've seen. Dazzling beige almond. 2 of those. Sculpted almond. 2 of those. Princess, I'm gonna have to put some of these to the side. Dazzling beige almond. XX piped, another bag of those. This is sculpted medium almond. 24 karat almond. I got a lot of princess pink. Oh, this is coffin this time. Princess pink coffin. Three bags of pipes. Triple X. Oops, XX frozen. Whoa, triple X frozen. And another 24 karat coffin. I'm dropping stuff. Hold on, y'all. Technical difficulties. Hold on. Alright. Right at the top, we got some glitters. I got some of these last time. 6 count. But it's a different, like these are more fine glitters. Ooh, these are cute. Some more raw glitter. Feels so good is what this collection is. But these are cute though. Can y'all see them? 6 count. And like I said, I got 3 scoops. The big O. 6 count. These are cute. I'm gonna just grab and go. Another Feel So Good collection. Go start the food. The big O. So 3 of the Feel So Good. Did you start?
It's no spoon.
Get a spoon. And 3 of the big O's. A big O. Oh, I got some different foils. So hopefully I have enough to put all of these foil cover tips in. So I didn't get these last time. These are cute. I got some of these, but this is a different pattern. Hopefully it's not too much glare on them. You'll be able to see, but they hollow. These are cute. Floral print. Oh yeah, I'll be able, another floral print to put all of these tips in here. Oh, these are what they call the oil slip ones, I think. Cute, cute. So that's 5. These are cute. Two of them. Another one. Two of these. Three of these. Three of these. Two of these. But like I said, I'm going to be upcycling these, putting my tips in them, because why not? Oh man. How many did I get? I got a few. Okay. Okay, Max, I see you, baby. I'm gonna have to do a giveaway. Everybody else is doing a giveaway, and I'm gonna have too many of these. So I got 1, 2, 3. of the bubblegum gel. No, pink bubblegum gel, excuse me. 4 of these. Two clear. So 2 clear, 4 pink. Gummy jelly. What are these, y'all? Is this the bling gel? Gotta open up and see what it is. Intermission, y'all. Intermission. Hold on. Wait for me. Wait for me. Kind of fine. I want to know if this is the bling gel. Is it open? I think this is his bling gel. I'm gonna have to look it up. That's what it looks like. It's sticky. But if so, thank you, Max. So 3 of the, oh, I shouldn't have did that. That was stupid. 3 of the gummy gels. I have to lose a glove. Put my micro right quick. I think that's my transfer gel. So I got a candy box in plastic and 1 in metal. 3 240 files. Always need these. Got 2 more raw glitters, same color. Can you go start it through one more time and then cut it off? So 3 of them in total. Ooh, and then he gave me a nail box, even though I didn't create one. I needed one. You must have knew I was gonna need one. So I got a tip box. And this is good quality too. I got an apron. Always need an apron. But not least, I got gels, y'all. So this is Fun Gel. Here you go with this doggone. Like a yellowish gold. Hey, you gone. This is more of a deeper gold, more of a copper. There's a muscle tone. Oh, I like this. Yeah, that's nice again. Two of them. So I don't. Oh wait. What is it? Oh no, I lied. So that's Fun Gel. This is Precious Minerals. So these are the precious. Yeah, excuse me. Precious Mineral. I'm out there, go. And these are also Precious Minerals. 40s. Oh, 157. What is this? 125 and 93. Did y'all see that? Is it upside down? Hopefully not. And then 157. Is this black? Oh no. I have to do swatches later. It's like a, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a bluish hue to it. $156. That's the color. Boy, stop. Like a teal. Did you cut it off again? Oh, wait. I'm gonna show you what number it is. 155. Ooh. Like a burnt. It's kind of like a dark orange, or I don't know how to describe it. A burnt peach. Oop, I'm spilling. And 159. A brown. And then, like I said, I got transfer foil because, you know, we got all of these foils, and a lot of them are really cute. So I ordered that on this side. And I know a lot of people were saying we sold them out. So we did our job, y'all. We sold them out. That's what he wanted, and that's what he got. Magic film. Probably ain't no color to it, but that's just what it looks like. It's a thicker consistency. Did he put instructions on it? Yeah. But that is everything that I got in my scoop. Like I said, I got 3 scoops, and that was everything. I am satisfied, and I'm always satisfied when I shop with Enail Couture. So if y'all got y'all's, you know. For those of you that didn't, next time, because I'm pretty sure he will do it again. But that is all that I have, y'all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you thought of my scoop. And I will catch y'all in the next one. Holla.